Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the review now. Today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Day-Date 40. The model number for this watch is 228238. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movements towards the end of the video. Okay, so for the dial style that I have on the configuration I have is the black dial with a diagonal motif and index hour markers. Diagonal motif is because as I zoom in closely here on the dial, you can kind of see that it has these sort of slanted cross sections on the dial itself to make this sort of little small diamond looking squares on the dial itself. However, if you're not interested in that look, you want a nice smooth black dial instead, well, good news, the Day-Date also comes in different configurations for that. So for the index hour markers, we're looking at champagne dial, black dial, and the black diagonal motif, which is what I have, and also a silver dial. Not interested in the index hour markers, you can also get in a Roman numeral hour markers in the champagne, silver, or white. And if you're feeling that you need to be a little more luxurious on the hour markers, then you can also get a baguette diamond with a champagne dial as well. But besides that, specifically for the index hour markers, are all fashioned 18 karat yellow gold to prevent any tarnishing. The index hour markers and the tips of the hand, so the hour hand and the minute hand, are luminous filled with a highly legible chromolite display. So it will glow in the dark for easier viewing at night. We have the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, and also the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Day-Date name right underneath that. So what makes the Day-Date the Day-Date? Well, of course, as the name states, the day and the date. So the day and the date. And so we have the date at the 12 o'clock, or the day on the 12 o'clock position, and the date at the 3 o'clock position. We have the Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easy viewing of that date. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the bezel now. So the bezel is just a fixed bezel. It's a fluted 18 karat yellow gold bezel. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. You can see it as I tilt it around the light, around in this light box. You can kind of see that contrasting little black flashes, flashes of shadow contrasting, because the fluted bezel is machined in such a way that it captures light in numerous different directions. So if this watch was out in the sunlight, you will expect this watch to shine very, very beautifully and front facing, and that's to capture the attention of the viewers to the front of the watch. So absolutely gorgeous watch, and that's actually nicely paired with the case as well. The case is nicely high polished on the bottom of the lugs, the top of the lugs, to match with that shine as well. This watch is a dress watch, and of course if you're being luxurious, you obviously have to go all the way, right? So that's why we have this beautiful 18 karat yellow gold case as well to match. The 18 karat, the case itself is a 40 millimeter case size, as stated by the name, Day-Date 40. So it's from my index finger to my thumb here, that's a 40 millimeters in diameter case size. And from the side profile, you can see very beautiful high polish on the side of the case as well, matching with the high polished on the bracelet as well. On the other side, same thing, high polish on the side of the case, matching with the bracelet again. One thing to mention is that the profile isn't too high on this watch, so it will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. Moving on to the crown now. So the crown is just a simple screw down twin lock double waterproofness system that holds the water resistance of 100 meters to 330 feet for this watch. And that's nice and secure to keep that water resistance. Opening it up to the standard position will allow you to wind the watch. About 15 to 20 clockwise turns is all you need to get the watch started once more from a dead stop. Pulling the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the day and the date independently. So going clockwise, you can see adjust the date, and at the top you can adjust the date by going counterclockwise. And that was actually introduced back in the 1990s. So pretty interesting fact there, because before you used to have to adjust them. You wouldn't be able to adjust them independently. So you wouldn't be able just to go simply just instantaneously change the day, instantaneously change the date. You would have to do revolutions of the hour hand just to be able to change the date and also the day. Pulling the crown out to the next position, we'll stop that seconds hand. As you see, the seconds hand has stopped right above that 9 o'clock position. And that allows for precise time setting, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds for precise time setting. And of course, you can move the hands bidirectionally as well to set the time however you like. Pressing the crown back in, we'll start that seconds hand once more. And always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep that water resistance I mentioned of the 100 meters and 330 feet. And of course, just to protect the crown as well. All right, moving on to the bracelet now. And this is one of the things that makes the Day-Date the Day-Date. It is the President bracelet. I believe the President bracelet was actually introduced with the first model of the Day-Date, which was back in 1956. So this unique style bracelet was kept throughout till now, and what it entails is this semicircular links made up of 3-piece links, so looking almost like a Jubilee style bracelet where it has 5-piece links, but instead we have 3 thick semicircular links. Instead, nicely high polished down the center, satin finish on the outer of the 3-piece links for the nice contrast to add more shine to the center of the watch. Moving throughout, we see that beautiful patterning throughout the whole bracelet, even the tapering from the lugs all the way down to the back of the bracelet. So it has a nice overall, nice looking composition on your wrist, also maintaining that beautiful pattern. The clasp is located at the back of the bracelet, only broken off by the Rolex crown logo here, and it's actually called a concealed folding crown clasp. Concealed because it hides these beautiful high polished clasp blades, also in the 18 karat yellow gold. This whole watch is 18 karat yellow gold. The Rolex name embossed on the clasp blades themselves, and I'll show you how the clasp looks from the back. That's how it looks from the back, and then when it's closed up, there it is, nice and concealed. Of course, curved along with the bracelet as well to fit properly on the wrist as well. So that's how it looks closed up. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the movement now. So the movement is housed in these simple oyster case backing with a nice high polish around the edge, satin finish on the back. Specifically for the movement is a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement to caliber 3255 movement, which is actually an updated Day-Date movement. The previous movement before this was the 3155 movement, so just a simple change in numbers. The 3155 was the old one, 3255 is the new one. The 3155 was introduced back in the 1990s, and that's actually what allowed the crown functions that I've shown you to be able to adjust the day and the date separately and independently of each other, and also the time as well. So very technical skill put there, and it kept the precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day. Had these functions of the cent, hour, minute, and seconds hand, and that's shown you with the crown functions, the instantaneously changing of the date and also the day as well. So what does the 3255 do better than the 3155 for it to be called a newer caliber? Well, the thing is that they added what's called the high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, which is Rolex's in-house made shock absorbers. It absorbs 50% more shocks than the industry standard, the KIF shock absorbers, which is what Rolex claims. They also updated the escapement as well. The escapement is a chronology escapement, so in-house made escapement by Rolex as well, and they've optimized it by making a skeletonized escapement wheel that's made out of a nickel phosphorus. The skeletonization helps with the reduction of inertia, so it helps keep that precision of the -2 + 2 seconds a day. And also we have the nickel phosphorus that makes that escapement resistance against magnetism. That's paired very nicely with the oscillator, which is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which also is a ceramic hairspring, which both of those together help keep that those Swiss specs that allows Rolex to put that superlative chronometer officially certified at that 6 o'clock position, that Swiss specs of the -2+2 seconds a day. Those two work very nicely together. And the other offset that the escapement does is that because it's so efficient, the power reserve of the watch is now a 70-hour power reserve. So you can put this watch on a Friday evening, pick back up on a Monday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. So now I'm actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. We're gonna go ahead and open it up from the back there, located by that crown, and there is the watch on my wrist. So absolutely beautiful watch, simple black dial contrasted by just overall luxurious, very luxurious gold. The whole watch is gold. This is a statement. If you really want to show off, you really want people to look at your watch, this is the watch. Gold everything, nice high polish. You capture parts of the watch very nicely. The face of the watch just covered in high polish, from the bezel, from the lugs, even from the start of the bracelet. You want people to be looking at this watch if you're wearing this, right? So if you're interested in this watch or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.